Do you know what backtesting is? Backtesting is applying a trading strategy to historical data to assess its profitability. It allows you to test trading ideas without risking real funds. If backtesting shows good results, traders may go ahead and apply the strategy to a live environment. On a more professional level, backtesting trading strategies is essential, especially when it comes to automated trading. The underlying premise behind backtesting is that what worked in the past may work in the future. But just like technical analysis and charting, there's no guarantee the backtesting will work, even if it produces great results based on historical data. Let's go through a simple example. Imagine a long-term strategy for Bitcoin. Here's our trading system. We buy Bitcoin at the first weekly close above the 20-week moving average. Then, we sell Bitcoin at the first weekly close below the 20-week moving average. If we consider the Bitcoin weekly chart since 2019, our backtesting will produce 5 signals. We buy at $4,000 and sell at $8,000 for a profit of 100%. Buy at $8,500 and sell at $8,000 for a loss of 5.9%. We buy at $9,000. Our backtesting shows that this strategy would have been profitable if applied to that period. This doesn't guarantee it will continue to work, but tests like this can give us a good starting point. Some traders add metrics and technical indicators to optimize their strategies, making the signals more reliable. Still, what you do with the results depends on your trading profile and risk tolerance. There are many ways to do backtesting. Some do it manually, using notes and spreadsheets. Others use computer code or specialized software to automate the process. Want to keep learning? Head over to Binance Academy for more on backtesting and trading strategies.